Good morning students, this is Swati ma'am from USCD DAV Public School, and today I will be telling you the ways and the rules to change imperative sentences when we are changing direct to indirect. As we have discussed earlier, there are many rules which we have to keep in mind to change the direct sentences to the indirect ones. Now, the rule in imperative sentences are as follows. See here, the rules are: change the reporting verb into tell, ask, order, command, warn, request, suggest, advise accordingly to the sense or meaning of the sentence. Okay, now you can see that tell, ask, order, command, warn, anything is being written just to remove the reporting verb. Reporting verb you all know. For an example, you can see Ram said, I am a boy. In this sentence, Ram said. The said is said to be the reporting verb. You will be changing said to ask, order, command, whatever is the demand of the sentence. Moving further, in number 2, you can see whether there is an object in the direct speech or not. Whether the object is present or not, you have to put object in indirect speech after reporting verb. After reporting verb, you will be giving a subject to the sentence. Now, you will be omitting the please, kindly words used in the sentence. Likewise, change the inverted commas to or not to. Inverted commas will not be changed to that. It will be changed to or not to as required. So for some examples, you can see, he said, bring a glass of water. He said, bring a glass of water. It would be changed as, he told, asked, ordered me to bring a glass of water. Likewise, students, you can use any of these words. Okay. In the second sentence, you can see, he said, do as I say. Here you can see, he told. Said is changed. Me, object is provided. To do as he said. You have to use to. Now, my son said to me. My son said to me, please buy me a coat. Now, he requested. So, my son requested me to. You will be putting requested instead of said. You will be giving to me too. Okay. Please is omitted. To buy him a coat. Likewise, students, you will be changing wherever it is required. Moving further, you can see there are some sentences which are called the emphatic imperative. Emphatic means to give force on. Okay. Now, some sentences use do to make. Do to make it more emphatic. In these sentences, what you will do? Remove do and follow the above said rule. Above said rules means the rules I have discussed just now, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Now, for an example, I can show you. He said to me, do come tomorrow. Okay. Now, it would be changed. He asked or requested me. Said to is changed to come the next day. Tomorrow. Okay, the next day. Likewise, I said to her, do have patience. I asked her to have patience. Okay, you will be converting it to the assertive sentences likewise. Now, the note point, don't remove do when you will not removing do if it is as important as other verbs in sentence. You have to read the sentence and see how much importance the do word keeps in a sentence. Okay, like for example, you can see, he said to me, do this at once. Do this at once. If you remove do, what will remain? This at once. This is not a sentence. It is important to add do to it, so you will be adding and making it, he asked me to do that at once. Do that at once. Okay. So remember, in the emphatic sentences, these all patterns are followed. In the negative imperative, the word negative comes with a not. So, if a sentence starts with don't, then change it to not to. And don't use to. Single to will not be used because it is do not. You will be using not to. Okay. Now, for example, you see, he told me don't shout in the class. He asked me. It would be changed. He asked me not to. Don't is changed. Not to shout in the class. Simple. As well as you can use forbid also. Forbid is also the word for don't. Okay, students, remember it. Forbid. He forbade me to shout in the class. Not to is being added just as forbid. Second one, he don't drive too fast, she said. Okay, don't drive too fast, she said. As I said, the reported one will be coming in the front. So, you will be doing, she told me not to drive too fast. One way is like this. She told me not to drive too fast. And the second one is, she forbade me to drive too fast. If you don't want to use not to, you will be writing forbade. And if you are writing forbade, don't use not to. If you are writing not to, don't write forbade. These two are the processes. Anyone, either one you can choose. Okay. Now, and for note, use only to after forbade. Do not use not to. Okay. Forbade. After forbade, don't use not to. So, students, I think I have made you all clear some of the important rules and some of the important key points to remember in the imperative sentences, and you will be very much benefited by it. Okay. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for coming.